Next problem. A square prism of height 80 mm and base of diagonal 40 mm rests on the HP. On its base with base edges equally inclined to the VP, it is cut by a section plane passing through a midpoint of the axis of the prism perpendicular to the VP and inclined to the HP. Find the inclination of the cutting plane if true shape of the section is a rhombus of diagonal 60 mm and 40 mm. Square prism height 80 mm and base diagonal 40 mm and the rest on the HP. And cutting the plane is if true shape of the section rhombus of diagonal value 60 mm and 40 mm. Next, draw the diagram. Okay. Initially, draw the XY axis. The given problem, the diagonal value is 40 mm given that. Initially, draw the X, draw the straight line and perpendicular line, and diagonal value is a 40 mm. To point the P and R point, mark the 40 mm diagonal 40 mm P and R points. Next, mark the S point. The diagonal value is 20. Diagonal value is 40 mm and side value is 20 mm. To point the S point. Similarly, mark the Q point. Q point 20 mm and 20 mm, and similarly draw the connect the all points. Now complete PQRS. Complete the PQRS point and in the portion UVWT. PQRS. The diagonal value is 40 mm. Next, draw the front view portion. The height value is 80 mm. Height value is 80 mm. Draw the line straight and mark the straight line. Mark the all points. The diagonal value height value is 80 mm. To point the P dash point, and similarly mark the R dash point and connect the P dash R dash 40 mm. Similarly T dash and B dash 40 mm. Next, fix the midpoint that is 40 mm to inclined. Draw a inclined line. That portion, cut in the portion V and T. Mark the V and T. Now draw the perpendicular line. Similarly 1 dash and 1. Similarly extend to 2 dash perpendicular line and 3 dash perpendicular line. Now the diagonal value is 40 mm. Therefore, fix the one midpoint. The diagonal value is 40 mm and take the 40 mm and mark the midpoint to fix the point. Another 2 points, 1 dash and 3 dash. Connect the all 4 points. Connect the all 4 points and the section will be true shape of the section should be hatched. Finally, complete the diagram, true shape of the section and sectional top view. Okay, thank you.